Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Xiao. I do painting videos, DIY videos. This video is a DIY video. I want to take like dark shirts and reverse tie-dye with bleach. So first of all, I just had to go and get bleach, so come on with me and get bleach. Alright, we're back. I got the bleach here. Got a bunch of clothes that I want to tie-dye with the bleach. Gloves, and a bottle, a squirt bottle. I'm just using an old water bottle with a little squirt thing. Like this. And a tray. I forgot to mention, you do need rubber bands. A lot. Since I'm doing like a bunch of clothes. And maybe you're not needing that much, but definitely rubber bands. I highly suggest this one, the strong one, but I only have one, so I'm just using what I have. These are from rubber bands that hold the vegetables together at the grocery store. I just save these and reuse them. So reuse, recycle. So yeah, we'll go right into it. Let's go. Alright, so for this one, I'm just gonna take the fork and use it for spiral. So spiral. And then I'll take my rubber bands and clasp it together. And there we go, we got the spiral with the rubber bands. Alright, well as you can see, I used almost all of the rubber bands. One snapped. I just have these plastic white ones. They aren't very strong, they don't stretch that much, so I can't really use those. And then this blue one, I'm not gonna use those. I have this one. This is gonna be a shirt and shorts. Both of these are gonna be like the crumple effect. And then I rolled these, a shirt and a short, 3 spirals, 2 shirts and a short, and then this one is going to be a bullseye. Alright, so I poured half bleach, half water in this bottle. When you're doing that, you also want to wear gloves, protect your hands. And then I poured another bottle with just water to dampen your clothes beforehand. And I also laid out some towels to protect the carpet, towels that I don't really mind if bleach gets on there. So I'm gonna pre-damp these. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, this way. Oh, it's a lot. This way, and I'm gonna flip it. Do the other way. Damp a little bit more. All right, here we go. I think I'm just gonna try to do every other one. This is my left hand, so bear with me. And then I'm gonna flip it, tie-dye the other side.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Okay. And then continue the process for the rest of them. Here they are. You can see this one's really already reacting. This one a little bit, this one a little bit. This one not so much. These shorts not so much. You can tell the towels got bleached too. See, it's the color change a little bit yellow from the red. And then even the brown towel pigment is now orange. I'm not sure how long this sit here. I guess we'll wait for like an hour. Right now it's 12 o'clock, so I'll see you guys back at 1 o'clock. Alright, I'm back. It's 1 o'clock. I'm gonna take those rubber bands off, but I'm gonna be wearing gloves as well, just to protect my hands because there's still bleach on there. Alright, the rubber bands are off. Well, look at these. How it is right now. That looks pretty cool already. This one's very faded, but we'll see how it goes. So now we're just gonna take all of these and rinse it with cold water. I'm gonna do it in the bathtub. I got my tray of clothes. Let's go. Alright, there we go. Nice and washed. Man, my hands are so cold. Alright, we're gonna throw it in the washer and then throw it in the dryer. So I'm not sure if you're supposed to put laundry soap in there, but I guess we'll just give it a go, see how it goes. Wow, look at this towel. My goodness. Alright, let's see how it is. Okay. The shorts, not so much. It's because of the material. I get that now. But the shirts, let's see how it is. The final reveal. Alright, this one, it's okay. It's very faded. Not much of a color distinction, but some spots here in the back. It's okay. I say this is like a 2 out of 10. Wow, look at this color. Wow, very cool. This is really cool. I like this one. Like a 8 out of 10. This is pretty cool. This is the Broncos. I'm not really a football fan or whatever, but this is a really cool shirt. I like how this turned out. Right, here's this one. Not bad. This one's okay. More very faded. It's okay. I would give this maybe a 3 out of 10. Not that. It's okay. This one is kind of cool. I like this one too. This is cool. You can see still see the blue ink from the print. This one is for my friend. I'm not gonna put it on. I'll let her put it on, but you can still see a lot of the blue still stayed, and it just turned white. But that looks really cool. The back looks really cool though. I'm just kind of sad that a lot of the blue didn't stay and it's mostly white. But oh, I hope she still likes it. Oh, I hope you like it.
I do.
Yay! Alright guys, that concludes this DIY video. I hope you guys like the process, how I did this and everything. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Let me know what shirt was your favorite. I really like the long sleeve one. That's a really cool pattern. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!